Hi, I am Bhuvan Gaur from BG Blocks. Today I want to show you at my left side the Nathana Devi Mandir, which is situated at Almora in Uttarakhand. But on the other sides, a very old Gorkha Towers, which is situated at the highest top of the hill of Nathana Devi. Now, really, it is a terrible and very dangerous hill, and very we can say that noxious kind of the paths are over there to pass. Now I am going to lead step by step toward that very untouched and unbeaten historical place that is called the Gorkha Tower. But one thing, on this path, it is so at height. Once you lose your balance, you fall into the deep valley. Be careful while you will just try to visit on this place. Please be careful to walk on this path because it is really very dangerous and can be taken your life while you are walking on this. Now I will try to explain about the height and the weight of this tower. The height was 75 meter and the base dimension was 16 meter near about. So it was really very tall and a broad tower, and they always used to use it for protecting their place, and it was situated at the highest top of the hill. The Gorkha army invaded Kumaon Kingdom and occupied in 1790 and 91. Then Gorkha army invaded Garhwal Kingdoms in 1804. So in this way, the Gorkha occupied the hilly region such as Nainital, Almora and Dehradun. During that 18th century, this tower was built to protect from the British. But the Britishers defeated Gorkha's army. Then 21 April 1815, the British decided to stabilize their rule over the half of the Garhwal region. As I have already told you, it is situated or built by the Gorkhas at the top of the hill. It is because when the British enemy came from the valley, so from this place Gorkha could attack with their army force, with their armed force and guns and bullets also. Gorkha army was so clever, that's why they did it. They built it at the top of the hill. Now we are at this tower and there are number of people over there, and I'm just telling the names. One, Gaur is a older brother, Greece Gaur, and then Rahul Gaur is the beta, and the Mano Gaur also the son, with the daring we can say that photographer Mohit Pandey. Now let's explain why did the Gorkhas build this tower. Ultimate aim of Gorkha was to cover from all sides so that the Gorkha made hole from where and they can shoot their bullets from upward. And these guns place was from all sides and they laid down first and then they put their guns into the hole, then used to make fire at the Britishers. This is Mohit, our cameraman, and who support us to complete these documentaries. At last, really we are enjoying this place, and because it is the first time that we all people are there, and I think that before of that some very handful people came here, but they did not concern to make any kind of video.